Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, guys. Dr. Rose here. Welcome to my channel. What a pleasant morning today. It's cool, not that hot. And today being Sunday, going for a ride in the morning. It's been 3 weeks me going out for a ride in the morning. Sunday, I was held up for some work. Was busy from the past 3 weeks. And frankly speaking, today also I am busy. Today also I am held up. But since I had not ridden from past 3 weeks, I had an itch to ride. So I asked one of my colleague to look after the things for around 4 hours from 6:30 to 10:30, so that I can make a small ride. Yeah, today I'll be going to an restaurant near Chikballapur. It's around 70 kilometers from my place. It's called Kamath Yatra Nivas. It's pretty famous for bikers, and it's been long time I have been there. Usually, lot of super bikes come over there. If you are fortunate enough, we can spot even Lamborghinis and Audis. Today I thought I'll wear my racing leather jacket, because it's been a while I've used that. Probably the last I used was in the month of January. After that I haven't used it, so I thought I'll use it for this small ride. But oh boy, the weather in Bangalore is pretty hot, and I stay in the last floor of an apartment, and being that the last floor, the heat in my house is terrible. So as soon as I wore my leather jacket, within seconds I started sweating a lot. So I took out the leather jacket and I wore a mesh jacket, which I'm wearing now. Oh God. Which is this Harley? 6:30 in the morning, guys. Look at the traffic. Insane. One day I'll swing my leg over Harley and see why there are so many Harleys. I don't know. Basically, I am not a cruiser guy, but it's like, what do you say? Conception in my head. It's like I have made up my mind that I am not a cruiser guy. I haven't really tried my hand over a cruiser. I don't know. Probably I might like it. Harleys are a special breed. It's the most glamorous bike. Riding alone has got its own advantages. Somehow I don't like group rides. Group in the sense, not like that Harley group, what we saw now. Group in the sense, around 4 or 5 of your buddies joining together and going for a ride. I think short ride or long ride doesn't matter. But somehow I feel I am not a guy who can fit into that group ride. I prefer riding solo, so that I can live according to my schedule. I can live according to my convenience in the morning or in the night, whatever. I don't have to wait for others, and I don't have to make myself get ready faster for others. And at the same time, you have that leverage to break your schedule. You know what I mean? For example, if you are going on a highway and highway is open for you for around 3-4 kilometers in a stretch, and you'll be doing at around 70-80 kmph, you feel like opening the throttle and you do that. So basically you can drive according to your wish, and you don't have the responsibility of the other riders on you. Basically, when you're in a group ride, obviously everyone has to be safe, and that's each and everyone's responsibility in the group to see to it that the entire group rides safe. So the extra responsibility will be there. But in riding solo, the responsibility won't be there. And pit stops, how much ever pit stops you want, you can take. And if you don't want to take a pit stop, if you're enjoying the ride at that moment, you enjoy the ride for a long time. Nobody is forcing you to take a pit stop. And seeing the road, or for that matter seeing a place alone, is a different perspective when compared to seeing the same thing in a group, according to me. You make new friends, but usually when you are in a group ride, mingling with the other fellow bikers in the destination is very less. But when you are in a solo ride, you tend to mingle with the people, so that's how you make a lot of friends. Tiger. Nowadays I'm getting leaned more towards adventure bikes like Versa 650 Tiger. No, earlier I had a very intense wish to get a later class sports bike. I don't know whether I'll work towards that after I'm getting lean towards adventure bike. I meant later class sports bike. And today being 7th May, one of my riding buddies, he is getting hitched, he is getting married, and he is getting married in Tirupati, in the abode of Lord Venkateshwara, and I couldn't go for his wedding, but I wish him from my heart all the best for his future endeavors, for his future life, and I pray for his married life to be successful and happy. Krishna, this is for you. Congrats, man. R6. Looking at the tail light. I don't know. I'll just check out. What is this? Ducati. This is C800. Yeah. I was insanely mad behind these 600cc or later class sports bike, but nowadays that madness is decreasing. I'm inclined more towards adventure bikes. I know maybe is it an age factor, or maybe the priorities of my riding is getting changed. I don't want to go fast. I don't want to race with any people, or I don't want to take my bike to the racetrack. Somehow I feel like exploring the places, going on a long drive, getting lost without purpose, and riding without itinerary. Somehow I feel adventure bike is good. The only adventure bike which is in my budget is Kawa Versa 650. But guy, it looks huge, man. At least for me, I'm 5 feet 10 inches, who weighs around 60 kgs. I'm towards a leaner side. I don't know how I'll be able to maintain that Versa 650. It looks huge. Just waiting for that KTM twin to come out. What I have read about is probably in 2018 or the first quarter of 2019 they might release this twins. And as far as the rumors go, they are getting two twins. One is the sports naked version. The other one is the adventure bike. And according to those rumors, the power figures and the torque figures are pretty decent. The power figure, the horsepower, brake horsepower is around 120, and torque is around 90 or 95-ish Newton meters of torque. And expected price on road might be around 8 lakhs, so 1.5 to 8 lakhs. I'm just waiting for that. If they scratch the idea of introducing such twin in India, probably I think at that time I might consider Versa 650. But I'll wait for KTM. A year and a half. Not many bikers today.